3 Jamaican students with special needs are leaving the Public Broadcasting Corporation of Jamaica with new skills, new confidence, and real workplace experience. The teens, aged 17 to 19 from Best Care Special Education School, recently completed a 3-week work placement that saw them training in production and professional development, an initiative aimed at helping them transition into the world of work. We have more from Denida Rodney.
The students received hands-on training in pre- and post-production elements, along with coaching in public speaking, resume writing, and interview preparation. At the closing ceremony, acting CEO at the PBCJ, Maurice Marshall, praised the students and shared how their training quickly proved valuable.
These very students helped us to avert a mini crisis. We had a situation where the parliament had gone all night the night before until 2 o'clock the following morning. So we had staff at the department from 10 o'clock in the day, and they worked straight until 2 o'clock the next morning. Then we had 2 other events that happened in the morning, so we're short-staffed. And so it was these students from the Best Care facility that were able to work with Mrs. Simone Absalom Gale to actually shoot and record the news. Come on, give them a hand, give them a hand, give them a hand.
In her address, Chief Technical Director Dr. Nicola Ann Brown-Pinnock of the Ministry of Education lauded the initiative.
This work experience program by the PBCJ is a clear signal that this organization is willing to look beyond the borders and labels to provide opportunities for young Jamaicans, enabling them to prepare for the next stage of their lives. PBCJ, by your action, you have proven that you too are truly special.
Board Chairman of Best Care, Orville Johnson, also shared his thoughts.
I feel great about what has happened here because we have a vision to have us having a Center of Excellence for Special Education in Jamaica. And part of it is that we want them to be the best that they can do in spite of whatever challenges they have. But more importantly, as many of them who can transition from school into some kind of work is a very important part of what we have been doing. So this fits right into that process.
In her vote of thanks, 17-year-old student Alicia Scarlett said the experience boosted her confidence.
You have inspired so many people around the world, including me. Before I coming here, I often feel negative thoughts about myself, but this experience have helped me see my own potential and feel proud of who I am. Thank you once more for your time, your guidance, your encouragement. Have a wonderful day.
The ceremony also drew support from the National Council for Persons with Disabilities, Shortwood Teachers College, and the Randolph Lopez School of Hope. Reporting for the news on PBCJ, I am Denida Rodney.